In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate links. Alright, so you could just go to the top here. We're signed into my account. So just go to where it says links and banners. You can get product links, banner links. You can also get links to any page on Amazon. For example, if you want to get a link to a popular page or to a certain page, let's just click on this just to get examples. For example, I could choose electronics and then general bestsellers, and then you could just name your link here. You could link to search results. You could link to any other page on Amazon. Okay, and you could also get links for banners. But for now, let's just get a link for a product. So let's just click on the product links. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick search, electronics, and let's just, for this example, let's select an iPad. Okay, so we're just going to choose the first one here. This is an Apple iPad mini. Let's see. So on the right hand side here, there's a get link button. Okay, and then you have a few options here. You could get the links for a text and image. So if you want to display this on your site, this is the link. Or should I say this is the HTML code for the link. If you want text only, you get the link here, or if you want an image or add to a widget. Yeah, and that's basically it. So if you want to get a text link, you would just highlight this and paste it onto your website.